welcome back to my channel. Crazy Up and Naughty Shri. How are you? Are you fine? I'm fine. So what's up? How are you? So today we are going to with a new concept, Nerf gun trick shots. So first one is level 1 easy, level 2 is minimum, medium, and third level is the hard one. We need to knock down this box down. So first one, let's start. 3, 2, 1, from here. Yay! First one, we get 3 points. So second one, let's start the second one. We need to touch this. Yay! 3 plus 3, 6. Another one, last. Three, two, one. Now, another bullet. Yay! I win. So I got 3 plus 3, 6 points in the second and first one. So now I got 2 means 2 points. 2 points means 6 plus 2, 7 and 8. So 8 points. Yay! Got 8 points. Only one number is left. That is 9th. We will get more winners. So if you like this video, please like and share. And bye bye. Please like and share. And bye bye.